Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Brenda. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscription button, turn the bell on, and be notified whenever I upload another video. I started this vlog cleaning. It feels lazy day for me. We're not going to work, we're gonna stay at home, we don't have internet. I downloaded some movies on YouTube, but they expired. I've been told that they might give us access to internet on Tuesday. This is crazy. I washed yesterday. I'm going to fold my laundry, and as you saw, I cleaned my dishes. I got this moisturizer. It's moisturizing and removing dead skin. The plane is passing. This is like the fifth plane that has passed today. It's so moist, but when you put it, let me show you, it's so watery. When you put it on, you see, it's so light. When you put it on your skin, it forms a white it forms a white particles. I don't know, you see those white particles? I don't know for what. So I feel I don't like it really, and it's not smelling really good, so I'm not using it so much, and I somehow regret why I got it. I got this vitamin C peeling lotion. It's hyaluronic acid. I will do a video about how I cleared my face and everything that I used, because my face, this is how it used to look, that picture there. If you want me to do a video of how I cleared my face, I'm gonna do it. Just comment down below in the comment sections. I got this face and body niacinamide olive oil vitamin E. This has vitamin C, and this one also has hyaluronic acid. It works for me. I'll continue using this as my moisturizer, but I'll have to get my serum back. Right now, I'm going to fold the clothes that I washed yesterday. Hopefully you're going to enjoy this vlog. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and in the comment section if you ever used your beauty products and how they work for you, and also if you ever used this moisturizer, let me know. I'm from town. I'm sorry if you can hear some noise, my neighbors. So I'm from town. I went to the office. I went to pick some stuff there. Also went to buy some stuff like food and all that. Just come back. I left home. It was around 10. Currently 3 p.m. In town, all the shops are closed. The offices are closed. Being that it's also on a Saturday, yeah, most of the offices close on Saturday, but today it was extreme. So ghosted. I was scared though to go. I've heard it's the day when they're going to pronounce. It's the day that they are going to announce the results from the casting, the votes. Some places they are still casting votes, voting for the members of the parliament and all that. That is it. I'm so hungry to do anything else. I'm just going to eat this probiotic fruit yogurt. I love probiotic. It's so good. And it's strawberry. I love strawberry. And this is my first time to try strawberry and chocolate. Yeah, I always take strawberry only. So I was like, oh, strawberry and chocolate, a combination and a probiotic. Let me try it. So I'm gonna have this, then I think I will relax a bit. Then I'll show you. I'll do a little haul of the things that I bought. And yeah, I'll prepare maybe lunch, dinner / dinner. Yeah, so that is it. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I am good. This is the second day of the vlog. Yeah. Ooh. It's nice. It's nice with the chocolate taste. I can feel the chocolate taste. It's good. It would have been so good when it's so cold, but I don't have a fridge, so from the time I bought it from the supermarket, then I reach home, it's now the coldness is not that really good. So I'm gonna see you